pickaxe, shovel, gloves, axe. This old stump's been out front here. This tree was cut before we bought the house in 2001. And notably, these roots, which I'm planning on tearing out, going back here, are actually in pretty good shape, all things considered. You can still smell the wood. My wife says this is fat wood, so it's the root wood. After the tree's cut, the sap comes into it, makes it awesome to burn. So we'll dry that out and make that happen. Got a little pile here. And just chopping the heck out of these roots. So why not just pull out the chainsaw, you say? Here we go. Here's why. That is a rock. And that's a rock. And that's a rock. So we got rocks all over the damn place. So I'm just trying to chop at it, get it down. This one I think is pretty well ready to go. This one got a ways to go yet, so we'll see how this goes. Wonder if I can capture anything cool. If I aim this just right, can I do one of my famous angle shots here? Let's see if I can do some chopping. Just look at that. Yeah. And that's part of the angle shot, is having a piece of wood actually come and hit the phone in this case, doing the filming. But that's the deal. Nice sharp axe. Careful of the rocks. Just look at that. Got some serious chunks coming off here. So we'll take those, see how much more we can do. Then the other part is see how the tree rings arc. So we're getting to the underside down here. And yeah, just under here is where the root ends. So I gotta be careful. But oh, hit the rock. Dang it. That's the deal. That is indeed the deal. So we'll chop that up and we'll rip it out. I think chopping the root was the right answer. And this is why we own a backhoe. That's it. Rip that puppy out. I'll get that last little bit and then I'll get that one. This is easy peasy. Love it, love it, love it. I'm gonna leave the stump though. I think I'm gonna leave the stump. Stumps sometimes get a little too hard, especially when I'm gonna destroy the entire rock wall. Oh boy. Alright, I'll have to do a little more work here. I want it further over for more levers, but there's a rock right there. It's moving. That's what I don't get, is that it's moving. It's actually moving pretty well, all things considered. It's it's lifting even. That's got to be a big root. That's why. Alright, we'll have to dig that up somehow. I'm going to guess that that is part of that whole root. Oh, that's the key. That's the key. There it comes. Look at that. That is some hell of a root. The root is out. Time to get rid of it.